Balik sa GMA Regional TV Live, mga kapuso, karong butaga atong ilailahon kining batan-on nga estudyante pa ni siya apan doon na yung mga entrepreneurial skills, mga kapuso, nag-manage na siyang kaugalingon nga kumpanya. O karong bago, mga kapuso, mi-introduce ni siya og mga biodegradable nga mga casing sa cellphones. Nganong maanindot man kini kayo nga produkto pagtabang sa atong kalikupan, ato siyang ilailahon karong butaga, mga kapuso, si Nicole Ong O. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi Nicole, good morning. Unsay nakapa-ideya nimo nga mopagawas mo ining inyong biodegradable nga mga phone cases?
Daghan kay plastic every year malabay because of phone cases, and kini mga plastic di sila dali ma-decompose sa atong landfill, so mapuno atong landfills ani kung si taglabay, di ba, mga plastic anya, mga basura. So naka-idea ko ganahan kung himo og casing na if i-bury nimo sa imong garden or backyard ba, over time pila ka tuig mahimo ra gyapon siya balik into hugaw lang gyapon, so it just turns into dirt.
Unsay material nga gigamit ini Nicole, asa man ni gigama ning imong mga biodegradable nga cases?
So the material we used on the biodegradable cases are bamboo and wheat. So these are both compostable materials, and then we make these cases just in Philippines. So it's made in Philippines, and then the materials we also sourced it here in Philippines.
At 20 years old, Nicole, batanon pa ka, estudyante pa ka karon, pero murag ang imong usa na sab nga gitutukan karon ang imong mga business nga mga interests. Can you tell us more about this?
So ever since I was 17 years old, I've started my business, and I've always been interested in phone cases. And then this year, I decided to take a step towards environmental friendly na phone cases. So this is why I created the biodegradable cases, and so far this is the business I have now. And then at the same time, I also have 4 NGOs that I'm also helping. That 3 are based in Cebu, and then 1 is based in Manila, that helps farmers in Tarlac, Pangasinan, and Misamis Oriental. So my first one I'm gonna talk about is Bayanihan para sa Magsasaka. So this is the one that helps mga farmers in Tarlac, Misamis Oriental, and Pangasinan. And then the other one that I'm helping is Project T Superhero, which is based in Cebu, and they help mga jeepney drivers here in Cebu. And then the third one I'm helping is Another Meal, Another Day, which helps mga families in Cebu City, Lahog, that were affected by the pandemic. And then after the last one I partnered up with recently is Para Kay Kuya, and they help jeepney drivers in Manila and Cebu. So they have a team in Manila and Cebu.
Unsay puho future plans nimo puhon, Nicole? Doon na pa kay plano nga introduce na sab nga laing produkto?
Maybe more phone units we can cater to, or more products like mga tablets in ana. So that's a future plan for now. And to help more NGOs in the future also.
Sa mga siguro viewers nato karon, Nicole, nagtan-aw, ikaw batanon pa ka nagsugod na sa pagnegosyo, doon na kay mahatag ang mga tips kanila?
If you're starting in business and there will be days yun na you will go with kanang walay sales in ana, don't give up lang yun, and then keep lang yun selling, keep posting. I think that's very important to be consistent yun.
Alright. Finally, Nicole, message lang nimo sa mga nagtan-aw nato nga kani interesado gyud magnegosyo, dili lang gyud kinahanglan nga kanang unsa may kinahanglan nimo i-devote imo yung oras ug ang imong interest ani, og of course pwede gyud mga batan-on like you nga mo engage sa business.
Yeah, I think you can engage in business as long as you have the time, you have the interest, hard work, and your passion for it. If you have the drive, then you should go for the business, kid.
Pahabol lang nga question, Nicole. Giunsa kuno pagbuhat sa kining imong biodegradable nga case? Doon na nay machine nga mo buhat ani unya. Giunsa ninyo pag nga kining nga mga materials ang gamiton, ang katong wheat ug ang bamboo?
So ang gigamit gud namo is it's really bamboo based gud ni siya, and then the wheat is just for the color. And then I also included plant based biopolymers which can help protect your phone, so which makes the phone case sturdier. And then also, since we have engraving on it, we made sure that the machine that we use is toxic free.
All right. Thank you so much sa mga advices pod nga gihatag nimo kanamo karong buntaga ang batanong negosyante, mga kapuso, si Nicole Ong O. Thank you, Nicole.
Thank you, Nico.